Running away to live in a beautiful Italian village might feel like an impossible dream, but Airbnb is making it a bit more achievable for one lucky person. You could have the opportunity of a lifetime and live rent-free in Italy for a year. In this video, we talk about the opportunity for your Italian dream to become reality. Find out how to stay in Italy for free. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell, to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you, and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance. Airbnb is on a hunt for someone to live within a small international community in Sicily, Italy. The lucky winner will stay in an amazing designer home and pay no rent for 1 year. In January, the home-sharing giant announced its plan to find a person to live in a thoughtfully restored, 3-story Italian heritage home in Sambuca, Sicily. The town name may sound familiar. The pretty village of Sambuca took part in Italy's €1 house scheme, which sells bargain houses in need of renovation. The rural village is about 80 kilometers south of Palermo in Sicily, and was once named the most beautiful Italian village. Airbnb, together with the Italian architectural firm Studio d'Idea, worked to transform the home. For the project, Airbnb explained, it used materials and colors in harmony with the local landscape, and blended both modern and old-school design to fit into Sicily's architecture. The home is located in the heart of Sambuca, with 3 floors and a master bedroom with an ensuite. The townhouse comes with a large living room to mingle in, a chef's kitchen, a working space, an additional mezzanine bedroom with a king-size bed, and an upper floor that includes an additional living space with a queen-size sofa bed. The lucky person won't have to relocate alone, as they are allowed to bring a friend, partner, or family with a maximum of 2 children. The winner of the rent-free stay will have to take on some duties during their year away. A private room within the property must be hosted on Airbnb for at least 9 months of the person's stay. Airbnb said, "We'll select a person willing to become an Airbnb host, and to join a growing international community that has been moving to Sambuca since the town's rejuvenation campaign first launched in 2019. What they all have in common is a passion for nature, Italian culture, and for playing their part in Sambuca's renaissance." The participant will therefore need to demonstrate a commitment to hosting and to contributing to village life. Candidates must be over 18 and must be available to move to Sambuca for at least 3 consecutive months, starting from June 30, 2022. Candidates must be able to speak conversational English, and some Italian is a plus. The selected participant will also be given the chance to take part in a mentorship program, including learning Italian and attending Italian cooking classes. If you want to throw your hat in the ring for the dream of an Italian adventure, check our blog post for the link. The window closes at 4:45 AM Greenwich Mean Time on the 19th of February. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.